Of 100 cities, Detroit ranks #1 in preterm births.
#1, and this unsettling fact has researchers trying to figure out why. One of the potential factors, air pollution.
Well, 7 Action News reporter Kiara Hay is going in depth to learn about volatile organic compounds in our soil and in our air and how they could be impacting our health.
Twins run in Devonna Lewis's family. So, although not surprised, it wasn't a far stretch when she learned she was pregnant with twin boys. What she wasn't expecting was to go into labor at 30 weeks.
And I was like, oh my God, what's wrong? I told Mom, I said, hey, I think I'm in labor. She said, I think we should go now.
Thankfully, she listened, and the staff at Henry Ford Hospital was able to delay her labor for nearly a month, with Lewis giving birth to Zion and Shakur at 34 weeks. Full term for twins is 37. In 2020, 1 in 7 babies were born prematurely in Detroit. That's 14.4%. That number jumps up to 15.9% for Black babies in the city. That's well above the national average of 10.5% of babies being born premature.
We were shocked to learn that Detroit, among 100 American cities with high preterm birth rates, it's got the highest preterm birth rate. And the environmental contribution to that health consequence is really not known.
But not for long. A group of scientists and engineers at Wayne State University were recently granted $11.3 million and 5 years to research how volatile organic compounds impact not only the air we breathe outside, but inside our homes as well.
There's been so many dry cleaning, businesses in different parts of neighborhoods and gas stations and places that people have long forgotten about that have left contamination in the soil.
That can possibly seep through people's basements. So through field work and soil extraction, researchers are not only tasked with unveiling the problem, but coming up with a solution.
We're looking at doing within this project is developing sensors that people can install easily within their home. And those sensors will give off a warning signal when levels of these volatile organic compounds become high.
The team is also planning to create geographic mapping of the city to identify hotspots that need to be cleaned.
The wonderful news is that there is this new center here now. There is this group that's actively looking into this particular issue.
Researchers tell me the results of this study could lead to cleanup efforts across our state, and it will be used to help other Rust Belt states as well. In Detroit, I'm Kiara Hay, 7 Action News.